In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through this process from the very beginning so you can confidently set up a new product inside your account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to avoid common mistakes, whether you're selling a digital download, a course, or a physical item. First, once you're logged into your Clickfunnels account and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Products. This is the central place where all of your offers live, and it's where you'll manage everything related to what you sell. After you click on Products, you'll be taken to a page listing any products you've already created. To add something new, look for the button that says Create Product and click it. This tells Clickfunnels you're starting from scratch with a brand new offer. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your product type. Here, you'll typically see options like digital or physical. Digital products are things like online courses, memberships, ebooks, or any content that's delivered online. Physical products are items that need to be shipped, like merchandise or printed materials. Take a moment to think about how you actually deliver what you're selling, then select the appropriate option. Choosing the correct type helps Clickfunnels handle things like fulfillment and delivery correctly later on. Once you've selected the type, you'll need to enter a name for your product. This name is mostly for your internal organization and for displaying in your funnels, so make it clear and descriptive. For example, instead of simply course, you might use something like beginner marketing course, so you can easily recognize it later. After typing in the name, click the Create Product button to save it and move on. Now that your basic product is created, the next crucial step is to set a price. Look for the Add Price button and click it. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to charge. Double-check your currency and the number you type in, especially if you're working with multiple offers or price points. When you're happy with the amount, click Create Price to save it. At this point, your product exists in Clickfunnels with a defined type, a clear name, and an attached price, and you're ready to plug it into your funnels and start selling.